So today at the Blue Door Neighborhood Center, it's Men's Wellness Monday, where we are celebrating National Men's Health Month. And at all three locations, we are actually celebrating men by talking about the things that are most important to them around health and wellness.
What's important about the event is for men to go out and actually physically get tested. I mean, that's to me is the main thing. You know, arm yourself with information.
Today we're offering free screenings like prostate screening, colorectal cancer fit kits, also glucose and cholesterol screenings.
We focus a lot on our disproportionate impacted areas or zip codes where there's high diabetes, hypertension, as well as heart disease.
People are able to take home fresh produce. We've got some collard greens, some turnip greens. We also have sweet potatoes and other healthy items in that produce box. And this event is a pre-NASCAR Chicago Street Race event that we wanted to get men and their families all geared up for the Chicago Street Race by using Men's Health Month as an avenue to get men interested in their health by talking about NASCAR and cars and the street race.
This does offer an access point, especially today when you're offering health screenings, talks on mental health. I mean, it's all in combination of what we need in the neighborhood and in the community.
What I'm hoping people will take away from today is just to know that we at the Blue Door Neighborhood Center care about them and their well-being. We want them to walk away knowing that we are a hub of resources for them and that we are a bridge between their provider and their home to be able to offer health education, health programs.
And you always learn something new when you come here, and they always are giving us some kind of input on how we can do better and make our community better.
And connections, right? We want people to be able to connect with other people, other men, so that they can normalize their journey of health and wellness, right? You know, sometimes these conversations are very difficult for men to have, and so if they can make the connections with other men and other people in the community, we believe that once they leave here, they feel good knowing that they've made a connection with someone else.